Hey guys, it is me back since I haven't made a video since 2 weeks from my last, Todoroki cosplay. It's another makeup tutorial. Now, I only have this character to do. How did I do my Birds of Prey Harley Quinn makeup tutorial? It's really not that long, so I think this won't be a long video. About 4 things. Actually about 5, because the wig. First, the wig, I ordered it off from Amazon or something. It doesn't look great when I hold it like this, but it looks greater when I put it on my head. And I want to go. Oh yeah, don't mind the noise in the back. My mom's cooking kitchen and my sister just got here. So I want to go with this lipstick that stains your lips. Now I want to just add it. I don't know if I should do the Cupid's bow, but I'll do it. Oh, I don't like that. Let's just stay with that. Makeup, it ain't really hard, but I got it some. This is what I'm gonna be using. And I left my brush in there, so let's use my finger again. Okay, I'll just do it again. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but this is a little bit more lighter than she had in the movie. But yeah. That's all I have. Next, eyeliner. I'm just gonna go carefully on the bottom. Glad now it won't get on my top. Last time I did them big and they got on right there, and I had to start all over. Next, I want to go with the heart. I'm going to be going with a drier eyeliner. Now I want to color it in. Go with the eyeliner that I done on my eyes and color it in, so this can help where your heart is, so you don't mess up or something. And the mascara, I don't like adding this, but I guess I had to, because her eyelashes are big, and I do not put on eyelashes on. I hate those. Yeah, I don't have nothing to do with the skin, but this are some pair of jeans that I made from the movie. A very good pair of jeans that I had to cut up. I don't have the shirt on, but this is fine because I had lost my shirt, and this wig did not come like this. I cut it a little bit to look like on from the poster and the movie, and yeah, I kind of hate it. I know, probably some of you guys hate it, but that's all. I do not want to do foundation. No. And Now I am off to go kill probably Roman Sionis. Bye. Nice to see you all.